Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 351 Windsor 400 horsepower engine for our customer's 1983 F-150 4x4. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. Again, we have a 351 Windsor engine here, roller lifter camshaft in there, double roller timing chain. You saw the brand new timing cover, new balancer. Oil pressure extension is on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup. Engine block is painted the dark Ford blue with the brass freeze plugs. We have the correct oil pan on there, the rear sump oil pan for the 83 F-150 4x4. Low carb braided dipstick tube and stick in there. We have the AFR aluminum cylinder heads in there, American made. All the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. We have the black Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. It's real nice Ford Racing valve covers with a matching 13-inch air cleaner. We have the distributor set in place, all ready to go. Holley 750 CFM carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. The aluminum intake manifold. We have the automatic flex plate on there. We always install the proper automatic flex plate for the customer's transmission. It's a C6 transmission, has the proper tooth count and balance for the 351 Windsor. Customer requested engine lift hooks. We install the heavy duty engine lift hooks for him. We have the manifold vacuum fittings installed for any vacuum hookups. PCV valve on there, Russell heavy duty PCV hose. Braided fuel line at the carburetor. Fuel pressure gauge on there, all set. Heavy duty Russell fuel line. We have the twin belt serpentine belt system on here. This is a 140 amp one wire hookup alternator. Heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, alignment set, tension set, proper lower hose on the driver's side for the 83 F-150, standard rotation, high flow aluminum water pump, coolant bypass hose on there, high flow thermostat in there, correct thermostat housing. We have the power steering pump on there, again belt tension all set and aligned. Every engine is fully tested at Engine Factory for 45 minutes. You're going to see a video of your engine running in stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. We set the ignition timing with the timing light. We adjust the idle mixer screws to get the best manifold vacuum. We set the idle. We check for leaks. Everything is thoroughly gone over, so you know when you put this engine in, you'll have 100% confidence you know it's perfect. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 908-323-5847, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. It's a family-owned and operated business, been in business since 1969. So there you have it, our 351 Windsor 400 horsepower engine for a customer's 1983 F-150 4x4. Thanks for watching.